title The Dog and His Shadow. Once upon a time, there was a dog who found a large, juicy piece of meat. Feeling proud of his find, he held the meat tightly in his mouth and began his journey home to enjoy his feast. On his way, he had to cross a small wooden bridge over a clear, flowing stream. As he carefully trotted across the bridge, he glanced down into the water and saw his own reflection. However, the dog thought he was looking at another dog with an even larger piece of meat. Driven by greed and envy, he decided he must have that bigger piece too. Without a second thought, he opened his mouth to snap at the reflection, only to have his own piece of meat fall into the water and disappear. Now, instead of having a large, juicy piece of meat, the dog had nothing. Feeling foolish and regretful, the dog learned a valuable lesson that day. He realized the folly of his greed and the importance of being content with what he had. The moral of the story is greed can lead to loss. Be happy with what you have.